Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore customer onboarding with Userpilot, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Userpilot account. Navigate to the dashboard. Look for the onboarding section in the main menu. Click on Create New Onboarding Flow. Select the type of flow you want to create, such as a tooltips or modals. Customize the flow name to reflect the purpose of your onboarding. Choose a target audience for your onboarding flow. Decide whether to target all users, new users, or a specific segment. Next, move to the Steps section of the Flow Builder. Add your first step by selecting the element you want to highlight. Configure the message you want users to see. Use clear and concise language, focusing on key benefits. Adjust the positioning of the tooltip or modal to ensure visibility. Then, add any additional steps necessary to guide users through the process. You can incorporate different types of steps, like product tours or task lists. Preview the onboarding flow to ensure everything works as intended. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button to make the flow live. Return to the dashboard and monitor user engagement with your onboarding flow. Utilize the analytics features in Userpilot to track success metrics. Make adjustments based on user feedback and performance data for continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.